What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Docs to n8n. So first, head over to your Google Docs website by just typing console.cloud.google.com, and after that you will be redirected to this page. From here, on the left side, you can see the My First Project, which is the open project picker. Click on this, and after that on the right side, you need to click on New Project. And after clicking on New Project, here, a new window will open from where you can create your new project. So just simply click on create. And after clicking on create, here you can see the first project has been created. Now, after creating the project, you need to come over to the notification section, click on this notification bell like icon, and then click on select project. And after selecting the project, the next step is to hover here to the left side and click on this three lines, which is the navigation menu. From here, you need to hover to APIs and services and then click on library. After clicking on library, a new window of library will appear. And from here, you need to search for the API of Google Docs. You just need to simply write Google Docs here in the search bar and then hit enter. And after that, the Google Docs API will be available. As you can see, the Google Docs API option, click on this, and after clicking on this, this will open the particular Google Docs API section, from where you just need to click on this enable button. And after clicking on this enable button, you need to click on OAuth consent screen. After clicking on the OAuth consent screen, you will see the button of get started. Click on this get started button. And after that, you need to enter the app information, your audience, your contact information, and then you need to finish. As you can see, I have written my app name and my user support email, and I have clicked on next. And after that, here you will see the option to choose the audience. The internal audience is only for the users within your organization, and the external is for everyone or next user for Google account. After that, when you are chosen, click on next, and then in the contact information, you need to enter the email addresses which are for Google to notify you about any changes to your project. After entering the email, click on next, and then in the finish section, check this checkbox and then click on continue. After that, you are done. Click on create, and after that, this will create the OAuth. After that, as you can see, you have the button to create OAuth client. Click on this, and after that, it will create an OAuth client. So from here in the application type, you need to select for web application, and then here you need to name. Now here in the add URL section, you need to go to your n8n workflows, and then you just need to create a Google Doc workflow. If you have not created prior, just make sure that you first create your Google Docs workflow and then do all the settings in the Google OAuth client. So we'll click on add first step and then trigger manually. And then here we'll click on plus. We'll search for Google Docs. We'll select it and create a document. After that, you will see this create new credential button. Click on this, and then after that, here you can see the OAuth redirect URL. Click on this to copy, and then when you copy this, you just need to click on add URL here in the Google Cloud, and after that, you just simply need to paste this link, and then when you are done, due to some problem, I am not able to add the URL. So by mistakenly, I have entered the URL here. I just need to enter it here. And then when I am done, I'll just simply delete it. And after that, I'll click on create. And after clicking on create, this will create your OAuth client ID. And after that, here you can see the client ID. You just simply need to copy it. Make sure that you copy before clicking it on OK because it won't appear again. So after copying it, click on OK. And after that, as you can see, my OAuth client ID has been created. Now come back to n8n and then paste the ID that you have just copied, and you need to paste it in the client ID. Now, the thing is, we need to get the client secret. So to get the client secret, click this web client one that you have just created. And after clicking here, the window will appear from here. On the right side, you can see this client secret. Just simply click on this copy icon and it is copied automatically. Come over to n8n and then click on client secret and then just simply paste it. And when you're done, click on save. And as you can see, the credential has been successfully created. And this is how you can connect your Google Docs to your n8n. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.